So OneDrive.live.com, you need to type this way in the URL. Yes, there is a slowdown from my net side. Internet connection is very bad. Though I have, the high-end thing connection, I got it. It's very slow. Let me just check. Yeah, now it got right. So now I am into the OneDrive. So I don't have to remember that. Look here currently, and I was able to log into the OneDrive. Okay. So what you do is you go to the OneDrive.live.com, not now, probably after the session. Okay. And you go and create a username and password for you there. Okay. It accepts your private email address. So look here, in this case, I will use my gmail.com. Okay. But store the password somewhere, otherwise you will find it little bit difficult in terms of connecting here. Okay. Anyhow, you have reset option is there. Look here. So here I have various files got loaded already. OneDrive.live.com. Okay, it's a cloud-based file hosting service. It is offered by Microsoft. You can store up to 5 GB space here. For example, in your laptop, you don't have space. You want to temporarily move files to cloud to upload it to somewhere, right? You can use OneDrive.live.com. Okay, now here, for example, I have a file by the name of retail.sales.csv file, and I have expenses.xlx file is there. And I'm going to use, let me do one thing, retail store.xlx file. Okay. So next to this file, you need to select this one. Okay. You need to click on it. When you click on it, you will find the tick mark. That means you selected this file. And you have you have this icon available here. With this, you can share this item with other people. When you click on it, it will give you the link and all. So it will ask the username, okay, and then username for example, if I want to share this file to you, I should be knowing your email ID. If I give this email ID here, and then if I send it, a link will be sent. Okay, a link will be sent to your email ID. So when you click on this, you can, when you click on this, you should be able to see the content of this file. This is share option. But what we are going to look at now is, look here, the three dots. This is called your ellipses. They call it as ellipses. I'm going to click on this three dots. I can see that preview, download, embed. I'm going to click on embed. When you click on embed, you can find the iframe got generated here, right? So just right click on it and copy this embedded URL, okay? And then what you do is you open a notepad. Yeah, here you just copy paste this one. Sorry, paste this one, the one you copied it. The next step is you need to take only the URL. Select only the URL, copy, and then paste it somewhere down here. Yes. Okay, the step one is now right click and select or click on right click and click on embed. Step two, copy the below embedded URL. This one gets generated automatically. You don't have to do anything. Step three, what we are going to do is we are going to replace the embed by download. Okay, and replace the embed by download. Embed by download, and then at the end of this file, you need to use the ampersand sign. Ampersand app is equivalent to 2. Sorry, app is equal to Excel. The application is Excel. You need to specify download. You need to replace the embed. So look here, the embed, you need to replace the embed by download. And then at the end of the URL, you need to specify ampersand app equal to Excel. That's it. Step 4, you just copy this modified URL and go to your report file, the Power BI report file. And then here you have the get data. But when you go to the get data, you will not find any drivers or connectors to connect to the OneDrive. Instead, you need to click on web. Web is very common. In the web connector, you can specify the URL. When you specify the URL, it will go and pick up the data from that URL. And then you just paste that URL. Okay. Sometimes it will not get pasted. Okay, click on right, copy it, and then go here and then paste it. So in that kind of situation, you can probably click on the advanced one. Sometimes you will find strange kind of issues. See, I just copied directly from here. Okay, and here what I do is I just go back. Here itself we can make changes. Only you need to be very cautious. You need to replace only the embed. Okay, don't make mistakenly. If you type something, it will be gone. For example, look here. Here I pasted it. The question mark should be there. The question mark should be there. Only the embed, you need to replace it with download. And at the end, you can see ampersand app is equivalent to Excel. App equal to Excel. That's all. Okay. I'm going to hit OK. If your net connection is pretty fast, it will connect a little fast. Okay. But in this case, I think today I have some bad time. Okay. And every time the net connection will be faster. Sometimes it happens. Yes, it got connected. Let us wait for some time. Still, it is trying to establish a connection to this one. Okay, let's wait for some time. So good. We can see that in the navigator window. The navigator window is meant for previewing the data. Okay, look here, the retail store is there. Click on the checkbox here. It will load the data for preview purpose. You can see that the data got loaded here. I'm going to hit the load button and wait for some time. Retail store. Yes, it got loaded. I'm going to, you can see that just beneath the data pane and next to the table, you will find the icon here. You can click on this. It will get expanded. You can see all the columns here. And then when you go to the data view, and you can see the data here. So now with this, you are able to understand how to extract the data from an Excel file, which is available in your OneDrive. Okay. The first step is you need to go and, check where it is available. Second, OneDrive. So this is the one, onedrive.live.com. You need to go to this website and you need to sign up there. Once you sign up, you will get your username and password. With that, you should be able to log in here. The next step is you can upload the files here. So how do I upload the file into the OneDrive? So very simple. You need to just, one second, I'll just show you. I just minimize this. For example, when I go to my folder here, File Explorer. Yes, Sri, that is what I'm showing. Okay, don't worry. And hit that one. You will find many files. Let me do one thing. I have sample data sales. What I do is I just select this one and then drop it here. Okay, in this one. Simply do drag and drop. Look here, you can see the uploading here. You will find this icon. It is rotating here, which means the file which I dragged and dropped it here, it's being uploaded now. So you can see this one rotating here and we need to wait. So that's what my net speed is, unfortunately very slow, as importantly today. I never had this issue so far. It's being uploaded. Once the file get uploaded, that's it. The next step is, for example, you have uploaded this file. You need to click on it here. Okay, and click on the three dots, and here you need to click on the embed. That is the step, second step. Okay, and then the embed, and then copy the embedded URL. And then what you do is and then that URL, you need to paste it in your Power BI web connector. Okay, when you click on the web connector, it will ask you the URL. If you paste that URL, embedded URL, importantly, you don't paste the entire thing, iframe and all. You need to select only this one. Probably you can use your notepad and paste the embedded URL. In that embedded URL, exclude everything. You need to select only the URL that you find it inside the double quotes. Look here, this is the double quote, started with the double quote and ended with the double quote, right? Whatever is there inside the double quotes, you need to select that one and paste it here. Go here and web, you need to paste it and then replace the embed by download. Cautiously, look here, you need to replace the embed by download. And at the end of it, you need to use ampersand app is equivalent to Excel. That's it. When you click on When you hit OK button, it'll take for a while. If your net connection is a bit faster, it will get loaded quickly. Okay. So we are done with OneDrive demo, how to connect to OneDrive and how to pull the data from the Excel file that we stored it in our OneDrive.